Hazrat Abu Zar radiyallahu anhu states that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam has reported from Allah Jalla Jalaluhu that Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said, O my bondsmen, I have made oppression forbidden for me, and I have declared oppression forbidden among you. So you must not oppress one another. O my bondsmen, you are all led astray saves him whom I guide to the right path. So implore guidance from me. I will bestow guidance on you. O my bondsmen, you are all hungry saves him whom I fed. So you must beg food from me. I will grant you food. O my bondsmen, you are all naked saves him whom I provide garment to wear. So you must beg clothes for me. I will clothe you. O my bondsmen, you all sin throughout the day and the night, and I pardon all sins. So you must beseech pardon from me. I will forgive you. O my bondsmen, you don't own any loss that you can do me any harm, and you don't own any good that you can do me any good. O my bondsmen, if the people prior to you and the later, the human being of you and the genies of you become like the heart of the most pious men among you, they can add nothing to my power. And O my bondsmen, if the generation prior and after you, the human being amongst you and the genies amongst you become like the heart of the most wicked person among you, they can reduce nothing from my power. And O my bondsmen, if the generation prior and after you, the human being amongst you and the genies amongst you, all together stand in one place and beg me, and I bestows on every person what he implores, it will take from me equal to what is taken from the ocean on dipping a needle into it. O my bondsmen, these are your deeds which I am recording for you, and I will then grant you the reward for them. So whoever finds good should praise Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, and whoever finds something other than good, calamity, should not blame but his own self. Sayyid states that whenever Abu Idris Khawlani would narrate this hadith, he would genuflect. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 6517.